Good morning.
Oh wow, I look puffy today. Last night we had delicious French food and it's about 8 in the morning. We are heading to meet my friend who is running the marathon, and apparently he's running really fast. 6-minute and 27-second pace, which means that he might finish the marathon in 2 hours and 40 minutes, which is extremely fast. Let me just quickly show you what we're eating. Avocado toast, simple with a little bit of balsamic vinegar and strawberries. We are at one of the meeting points. Here's my friend at the top, and we are here. So we will see him soon. Welcome to the Chicago Marathon. Woohoo! Woo! Looks like we have some Paralympic athletes. All right, so in just a moment, we have the elite marathoners approaching, which are the runners who are really fast. Everyone in the blue jacket are volunteers, including the people on the bikes, the cyclists. Woo! Nice job! Woo! Damn, they're fast. How fast is their mile? I'm gonna guess their mile is like 5 minutes. So imagine keeping a 5-minute pace through an entire marathon. This is the second fastest woman in the race. Look at all the women. They're crushing it. You guys, my friend is approaching. We're so excited. Hopefully he can hear me screaming. Why am I getting so nervous? I'm afraid I'm gonna miss him. Maybe that's what it is. I'm definitely gonna get splashed by one of these marathoners who are throwing their cups. Where? Craig! Craig! He's too fast. I missed him. So now we're at a different meeting point. And he should be approaching. We're using this app to track him. So that's him, and that's us. And it's a pretty accurate map. So now we just wait and be patient. We're trying to find an opening in the crowd so that we can run across.
Let's go, Andrew.
Okay, we gotta run.
When you run, you better sprint across and commit to it.
I will.
Turning back.
I will.
And don't wait for me. Just go if you feel like it.
Okay. That's him? Go, Craig! Go, Craig! Did you guys hear? Yeah. We are now on our way to Portillo's hot dog. It's a very popular hot dog chain. Chicago has many revolving doors. Very cute in here. Has like a retro feel. Thank you. First step is order at the kiosk. I believe my husband is getting the classic hot dog. Chicago is also known for their Italian beef sandwich, which I might get. As expected, he is getting the classic hot dog. He chose the regular size. He is ordering a custom hot dog. I think I will get the classic beef sandwich. I would like the regular size. I think I should put peppers on there to make it more authentic.
Hot or sweet?
Both? Both sweet and hot peppers.
You want cheese?
I do not want cheese, actually.
Standard slightly wet?
I'll do the standard slightly wet gravy. I do not want any fries. How random, they have tamales here. Just one, please. I would like a bottle of water. And here's the summary of our order. The grand total is $26.43. This is the cheapest meal that I've had in Chicago. We are using Apple Pay to pay for our meal, and now the order is getting sent to the kitchen. We got the hot dog. It's probably good that he ordered two because it's small, or he probably took a really big bite, actually. Okay. I think it's all about the bread. The bread is really good. I got the Italian beef sandwich. Way better. We are now at my friend's hotel. We are going to meet her in the bar because our football team, American football, is playing a game. And I haven't watched a football game with her in a really long time, so I'm excited. Go Ravens! Good evening. We are at our last dinner here in Chicago. We're at Momotaro, a Japanese restaurant that several of my friends recommended. We are ordering the kakitoburi, miso soup, meatballs, aburi beni todo, karai tuna, and whatever else the birthday boy wants. We are starting with shishito peppers. I've already squeezed lemon juice. Thank you. The kind waiter swapped out our soy sauce for tamari sauce because it is easier on our stomachs. My husband ordered a glass of red wine, a Beaujolais, and bon appetit. We ordered a cup of miso soup, one for each person. We received the yellowtail that is sitting on top of thinly sliced persimmons. I think we have more food coming. This is salmon belly as well, and BoAi tuna with chili oil and something else. This is Spanish octopus with shiso mayo, lotus root, and some other vegetables. I think this is our last dish, which is chicken meatball with a side of egg. This is cooked yakitori style. Celebrating my husband's birthday again. Happy birthday! Make another wish. And we got a tart. I forget what kind of tart, but we were told that it is light, crispy, and refreshing. Good morning. We're heading to breakfast. It's our last morning here in Chicago. We're going to finally that Beatrix, no clue how to pronounce it. And I'm looking forward to the last few hours here in Chicago. I got a scramble, which has a side of guacamole and salsa, as well as tortilla chips. It is garnished with cilantro, or in some countries they call it coriander. It looks like it also has tomato, I believe pico de gallo, inside of the scramble. My husband got a side of hash browns, which are thinly sliced potatoes that are fried, as well as yogurt, or parfait specifically. It is topped with granola, mint leaves, strawberry. We just finished our breakfast and the server was very kind. She was wondering about my vlog, and it sounds like she wants to start her own vlog, but she hasn't gotten around to it yet. So hopefully I gave her some inspiration. I told her it's never too late, but she better get on it ASAP. She was so nice that she gifted us a muffin, a fluffy muffin. It was delicious. This closes up our trip in Chicago, and I really hope you enjoyed my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.